Hello children, I'm your English teacher Noor Jahan. Today we are going to learn about capital letters and full stops. Before entering into the session, children, take your XSEED English Reader Volume 1 and English Workbook. Are you all ready children? Shall we start the session now? Aim: to learn how to use capital letters and full stops. Keywords: capital letters and full stops. Now take page 2 of your English content book, volume 1. Now I am going to read the story in two different ways. Children, listen carefully. Anya and the Dragon. In a land far away, there lived an old dragon. He was kept chained in the king's palace. Everyone was scared of him. The dragon was lonely and sad. He wanted to fly in the sky. The chains on his feet hurt him, but what could he do? I am going to read the story again for you. In a land far away, there lived an old dragon. He was kept chained in the king's palace. Everyone was scared of him. The dragon was lonely and sad. He wanted to fly in the sky. The chains on his feet hurt him. But what could he do? Analysis. What difference did you find between the two readings? Which one was easier to understand? While reading the story for the first time, I didn't give pause for the full stops. And in the second time, I gave a pause for each full stop. Conclusion. Capital letters and full stops make sentences easier to understand. So by giving a pause for each full stop, you can understand the story in a better way. The first letter of a sentence should be capital. While writing, the first letter of each sentence should be in capital. Apart from this, we use capital letters to write names of people like Anya or places like India. So for all the names, whether it is a name of a person or a place, it should only be in capital. The letter I in the middle of the sentence is also written in capital letters. So the letter I, whether it may be in the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence, it should only be in capital. These are the main rules of English grammar. I repeat, the first letter of all the sentence should only be in capital. The names, whether it may be a name of a place or a person, it should only be in capital. And the letter I in the middle as well as in the beginning of the sentence, it should only be in capital. Now, children, take page 16 in English Workbook Volume 1. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops wherever needed. The dog is playing with the birds. This is the first sentence. What is the difference that you can find in this sentence? Yes, children, the T of the first word is not in capital. So we have to write capital T. The dog is playing with the birds. It should be written in capital. The dog is playing with the birds. And the sentence should be completed with the full stop. Did you understand? Now let's move on to the second question. His name is Bluezo. Similarly, H is not in capital. So we have to write H in capital only. His name is Bluezo. Bluezo is the name of a dog. So we have to write the first letter B in capital. End the sentence with a full stop. Likewise, he is a very friendly dog. H should be only in capital. So, he is a very friendly dog. Finish the sentence with a full stop. Did you understand, children? Are you able to understand it? Similarly, do the D and E part of the first question. And for the second question, now write two sentences about the picture. Look at this picture and write two sentences about it. Okay, children. Today, with this, we are finishing the session. I hope you all understood about full stops and capital letters. Let's see a new topic in our next session. Thank you. Bye, dear.